What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lake Erie Classic Cars. Today I've got a 1966 Buick Skylark GS. It's got the 401 nailhead in it. Automatic. Priced at $34,900. I'll be taking this baby on a test drive today. Showing you around a bit. We've got plenty of pictures up if you want any more detailed photos, but this is going to be more of a walk around, showing imperfections that we find, test drive. Let you guys see how it drives, hear anything that's going on with it. Interior's in very nice shape. Only things that I think that are of concern, which aren't really concerning at all, is maybe this needs some paint, and then these armrests aren't in the 100% shape, but they're still usable. Obviously, it's a drop top convertible. Automatic, it works with a button on the dash. Cream color with the pinstriping, black and red. Back glass, pretty decent shape. Top looks pretty new. Nothing wrong with this. Got some minor things like in the paint, such as that. Got some marks on the pinstriping, maybe some scratches here and there. I don't know if you can see that on camera. We just replaced the shocks on this thing. Before that, this thing was bouncy. I'll tell you that right now. She rides good now, though. Fixed up a few other things on it. She runs good. She's a driver. I'll show you guys the engine bay real quick as well. Factory AC. Like I said, it's got the 401. Let me pop the trunk for you guys too. Very good condition back here as well. Got carpet underneath, very solid, all redone. Got the cover for when the top's down. Spare. Clothes is really solid too. Seats work as should. Go forward. Hit the armrest for the middle. Passenger goes to the front as well. Carpet in very good condition. That actually works as well. it is missing a vent here, or a vent. You know what I'm talking about. Automatic windows for all four corners. Got the adjuster for the mirror here. Wipers work. Sun visors work. It even has the switches for the rear passengers as well.